Dear students, today we will learn how to calculate the molecular mass of a compound. In chemistry or at a high school level, we have to calculate the molecular mass of a compound. Before we calculate the molecular mass of a compound, आपल्याला कोणत्याही कंपाऊंड मध्ये असलेले जे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असतात म्हणजे जे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट्स असतात त्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट्सच्या ॲटॉमिक मास म्हणजे अणुअंक माहित असणे जरुरी आहे. In the similar manner, again we should know the molecular formula of a compound. त्या कंपाऊंडच्या मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला माहित असणे this is the most prime condition for calculating the molecular mass of a compound as well as the atomic mass of the elements present in that compound. In today video we will discuss how to calculate the molecular mass of a compound by taking so many examples. So the first and the simple example is of water. Now we know that the molecular formula of water is H2O. That means in this case there are two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So in order to calculate the molecular mass of water, we will find like this one. The formula is like this one. Molecular mass equal to, in this case there is hydrogen, so that's why atomic mass of hydrogen into atoms of hydrogen plus the next element which is present in water is oxygen. So atomic mass of oxygen into atoms of oxygen. This is the formula for calculating the molecular mass of any compound. You have to remember the molecular mass of a compound as well as you should know the atoms present in that molecule as well as the atomic mass of the elements. Now in this case we have to find out the molecular mass. It is also called as molecular weight. So molecular mass of water will be atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 into atoms of hydrogen present in water. In this case there are two atoms of hydrogen. या मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये वॉटरचे हायड्रोजनचे दोन ॲटम्स आहेत म्हणून नंबर ऑफ हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स विल बी 2. ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट करा प्लस atomic mass of oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and the number of atoms of oxygen atom in water is 1. So that's why 16 into 1. Now next step is 1 into 2, 2 plus 16 into 1, that is 16. That's why the final answer is 18. That means we can say that the molecular mass of water is 18. By this method we can calculate the molecular mass of any compound. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपण कोणत्याही कंपाऊंडचा मॉलिक्युलर मास हा काढू शकतो. दुसरं एक आपण उदाहरण घेऊया. The second example is of, suppose that we have to find out the molecular mass of sodium hydroxide which has a formula NaOH. Now in this case there is one atom of sodium, one atom of oxygen and one atom of hydrogen. म्हणून आपल्याला यांचे ॲटॉमिक मास नंबर्स माहित असणे जरुरी आहे. तर आता आपण फॉर्म्युला बघूया. molecular mass of NaOH, that means sodium hydroxide. In this case, the first element is sodium. So that's why we will write the atomic mass of sodium. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. So 23 is the atomic mass of sodium. There is only one atom of sodium. So that's why into 1 plus the next element which is present in sodium hydroxide is oxygen. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So we will write 16. Again there is only one atom of oxygen. That's why into 1 plus in the last case again there is one hydrogen atom. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 into there is only one atom of hydrogen. That's why into 1. So therefore 23 into 1 23 plus 16 into 1 16 plus 1 into 1 1. The ultimate sum is 40. This is the molecular mass of sodium hydroxide is 40. Now we will find out the molecular weight of glucose. The molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. आपल्याला ग्लुकोजचा मॉलिक्युलर मास आता काढायचा आहे. तर द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ ग्लुकोज इज C6H12O6. In this case you can see that there are the 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen. So now what we have to write? We have to write the molecular mass of glucose. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचे म्हणजे तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युला माहित असणे जरुरी आहे. In this case there are 3 constituent atoms, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The number of carbon atoms are 6. The atomic mass of carbon is 12. So 12 into number of carbon atoms are 6. That's why multiply it by 6 plus the next element is hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and therefore the number of hydrogen atoms are 12. So into 12 plus the next element is oxygen. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and the atoms of oxygen present in glucose are 6. That's why we will put down 6. Now 12 into 6, that is 72 plus 1 into 12, it is 12 plus 16 into 6, that is 96. So therefore the ultimate sum is 180. This 180 is the molecular mass of glucose. Next example we are going to take is of sodium chloride. Common name is common salt. This is sodium chloride. The molecular mass of sodium chloride is to be calculated. In sodium chloride there is one atom of chlorine and one atom of sodium. So that's why the molecular mass of sodium chloride will be now atomic mass of sodium is 23. There is only one atom of sodium, that's why 23 into 1 plus atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 into 1 because the atom of chlorine present in sodium chloride is 1. तर आता 23 into 1 that is 23 plus 35.5 into 1 it is 35.5. The sum is 58.5. This is the molecular mass of sodium chloride. So In order to calculate the molecular mass of any compound, we should know its molecular formula as well as we should know the atomic masses of the components which are present in that particular molecule. कोणत्याही मॉलिक्यूलच्या सपोज आपल्याला atomic masses माहित असतील तर आपण इझिली त्यांचे मॉलिक्युलर मास काढू शकतो. The next example which are going to take, it is of potassium hydroxide. Molecular formula of potassium hydroxide is KOH. So when we have to calculate the molecular mass of KOH, we should know the atomic masses of potassium, oxygen and hydrogen. In this case you will find that there is only one atom of potassium, one atom of oxygen and one atom of hydrogen. So that's why there is no need to multiply by 1. We can do directly the addition of the atomic masses of the potassium, oxygen and hydrogen. पोटॅशियम, हायड्रोजन आणि ऑक्सिजन यांच्या ॲटॉमिक मासची सरळ सरळ आपल्याला बेरीज करायची आहे बिकॉज इन धिस फॉर्म्युला देयर इज ओनली वन ॲटम ऑफ ईच अँड एव्हरी एलिमेंट. सो the atomic mass of potassium is 39. 39 is the atomic mass of K. Oxygen चा atomic mass हा 16 आणि hydrogen चा atomic mass हा फक्त 1. So that's why the sum is 56. या तिघांच्याही atomic mass ची बेरीज ही 56 येते. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ the atomic mass of potassium hydroxide is 56. The next example which we are going to take, it is NH3. Now NH3 is the molecular formula of ammonia gas. So in order to calculate the molecular mass, this is also called as molecular weight. Molecular mass समजा आपल्याला जर अमोनियाचा काढायचा असेल तर याच्यामध्ये there is only one atom of nitrogen. नायट्रोजनचा फक्त यामध्ये एकच ॲटम आहे म्हणून सरळ आपण डायरेक्टली नायट्रोजनचा ॲटॉमिक मास लिहू. नायट्रोजनचा ॲटॉमिक मास हा आहे 14 प्लस नाउ देयर आर 3 ॲटम्स ऑफ हायड्रोजन. या मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये हायड्रोजनचे एकूण जे ॲटम्स आहेत ते 3. तर हायड्रोजनचा ॲटॉमिक मास 1 इनटू नंबर ऑफ हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स आर 3 म्हणून इथे याला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. नाउ 14 plus 1 into 3, 3. Now the sum is 17. So the molecular mass of ammonia is 17. The next example which we are going to take, that is of, now suppose it is KCl. Do you know the name of KCl? KCl is potassium chloride. Again in this case there is फक्त एक atom of potassium and one atom of chlorine. So we will calculate the molecular mass of KCl. In the one example, means in example number 5, we know the atomic mass of potassium. Atomic mass of potassium is 39 plus there is only one chlorine atom and the atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So that's why the sum will be 74.5. This 74.5 is the molecular mass of potassium chloride. Now we will find out the molecular mass of some complex molecules like calcium hydroxide. In this case you will find that there is one calcium atom and there are the 2 hydroxide groups. Hydroxide groups means OH. Now in this case अशा केसेस मध्ये मॉलिक्युलर मास कसा काढायचा हा एक महत्त्वाचा असा प्रश्न असतो. कारण की याच्या पूर्वी आपण आतापर्यंत finding the molecular mass of simple compounds, simple molecular formulae was there, but now this is somewhat more complex formula and somewhat confusing for the students of 9th and 10th standard. तर आता कसं करायचं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल the step is same. आपल्याला सेम स्टेप्स फॉलो करायचे आहे. तर मॉलिक्युलर मास ऑफ कॅल्शियम हायड्रॉक्साईड यासाठी आपण सगळ्यात अगोदर करूया देयर इज ओनली वन कॅल्शियम ॲटम. कॅल्शियम ॲटम एकच आहे आणि पुन्हा कॅल्शियम ॲटमचा ॲटॉमिक मास हा 40 आहे, म्हणून आपण सरळ लिहूया 40 प्लस आता इन द ब्रॅकेट देयर आर ऑक्सिजन ॲटम अँड हायड्रोजन ॲटम. यांच्या ॲटॉमिक मासची आपण सरळ करूया ॲडिशन अँड द ग्रुप्स आर 2. इथं हे जे OH ग्रुप आहेत हे 2 आहेत, म्हणून आपण अगोदर 2 बाहेर लिहूया इकडे. त्याच्यानंतर इन द ब्रॅकेट देयर इज O अँड H. तर ॲटॉमिक मास ऑफ ऑक्सिजन इज 16 प्लस ॲटॉमिक मास ऑफ हायड्रोजन इज 1. या पद्धतीने लिहिणे. त्यानंतर 40 प्लस 2 into 16 plus 1 17. So 40 plus 2 into 17, that is 34. The answer is 74. The molecular mass of calcium hydroxide is 74. Now we will take the example of butane. Butane has a formula C4H10. This is the formula of butane. In butane, you will find that there are 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. तर आता मॉलिक्युलर मास जर आपल्याला या ब्युटेनचा काढायचा असेल तर मॉलिक्युलर मास ऑफ ब्युटेन काय होईल? The molecular mass of butane will be atomic mass of carbon is 12. इथे एकूण कार्बन ॲटम्स आहेत 4, म्हणून 12 into 4 प्लस ॲटॉमिक मास हा हायड्रोजनचा असतो 1 into ॲटॉमिक हायड्रोजनचे एकूण ॲटम्स यामध्ये आहेत 10, म्हणून 10 लिहायचे सरळ. 12 into 4 48 प्लस 1 into 10 उत्तर येईल सरळ 58. So this is the molecular mass of butane. It is nothing but it is 58.